Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to use text search and regular expressions in the MongoDB database. Let's start by using the insert many method to insert some documents in our property collection. Next, I'm going to use the find method to confirm that everything was inserted successfully. Now I'm going to use the create index method to create a text index on the notes field. To confirm whether the text index was created or not, use the getIndexes method. Now you should be able to use the text operator with the find method to search for keywords in the notes field. On line 14, I'm searching for all the documents that contain the keyword access. On line 15, I'm searching for all the documents which contain the keyword lake. If you wanted to drop the notes_text index, use the drop index method. Watch what happens when I try to use the text operator without a valid text index. I get a text index required error. Alternatively, you can also use regular expressions to search for keywords. MongoDB uses Perl-compatible regular expressions, and it does not require an index. For example, on line 20, I'm using the regex operator to search for all the documents where the notes field contains the keyword lake. On line 21, I'm using option I to specify the regex search to be case insensitive. On line 22, I'm using the caret operator to return all the notes that start with the keyword good. Line 23, I'm searching for all the notes which contain the keyword legal or physical. Finally, on line 24, I'm searching for all the notes that end with the keyword access. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.